Hi, my name is Ian, and this is my C# project called StudyStreak. It's a small console app I built to help track my study sessions and daily goals. My main goal for this project was to get more hands-on experience with C#, syntax, classes, loops, and file I/O while keeping the program simple and useful. So in this project, I use Visual Studio Code on Windows 11 with the .NET 8 SDK. You can run it just by typing. So as you can see, it's a very simple run, .NET, so it's very easy to use. Yeah, so when the app starts, you'll see a simple menu. You can start a study session, stop it, add goals, complete goals, and view summaries for today or the last 7 days. Everything runs in the terminal and saves automatically. So I'll start a session with option 1, and now I'll stop it with option 2. So it saves the total minutes I studied. This is actually a perfect example. So you have 34 minutes here. I was running it for about 34 minutes while I worked on a few things just to kind of keep track and set a good example for that. So we can go ahead and add a goal now. That would be option 3. So we'll go ahead and do that. And we'll do complete coding project. Perfect. Okay, so I went ahead and added a goal here, and now we can go ahead and mark it done, or we can check the daily summary. So let's go ahead and do both for the sake of an example. So just go ahead and mark it 4. So as you can see here, yeah, I had another goal here that I went ahead and put in. This is for another class of mine that I was using, so we can go ahead and click option 2 because I completed that. And now it's marked complete. And now we'll see it in the daily summary. So go ahead and click option 5. 34 minutes, 2 out of 2 done. So yeah, it tracks everything that you do. Okay, so all of this data is saved in a file called data.json, which the app creates automatically in the same folder. It stores the sessions and goals so I can close the app and come back later. So yeah, you can see here that I have my goals here. I have the minutes used, and it saves each session. So that, again, it comes down to storing the data somewhere so then it doesn't get lost easily, and you can always come back and look at it. As you can see here, it shows the date, how many minutes I studied, my goals for the day, and this helped me understand how to use system.text.json for reading and writing data in C#. So this is the main program here. It handles a menu, takes user input, and calls smaller functions like start session, stop session, and add goal. I use switch statements for the menu, simple loops for listing goals, and conditionals for validation. So this part, app state, handles saving and loading from the JSON file. I learned how to serialize and deserialize C# objects, and also how to make sure the app doesn't crash if the file is missing or corrupted. I used linq to calculate totals for minutes and streaks, and I worked with date only to make the summaries easier to read. It's small details like this that made the project feel a little more polished and clean cut. So through this project, I learned a lot about how C# actually works, not just writing syntax, but organizing a program into multiple classes and saving data to disk. I got more comfortable with loops, conditionals, file handling, and how the .NET libraries simplify things like JSON. It also taught me how to think about keeping code clean and structured, which makes a big difference. So that's StudyStreak. It's simple, but it's been a great way to learn core C# features while making something practical I can use to track my own study habits. So thanks for watching.